Welcome to the short film about leadership. Today we will explore autocratic leadership. Autocratic leadership is a style where the leader makes decisions alone, set the direction, and expect the others to follow without questions. This approach can be effective in urgent situations, but it often reduces participation and team motivation. Excuse me, what do you think about the autocratic leadership?
Well, I think it's fast and clear. The leaders know what they want, so the team just follow them. I think it saves time, especially when the deadlines are close.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Excuse me, what do you think about the autocratic leadership?
I see it differently. Yes, it's efficient, but it also feel unfair. People in the team lose their chance to give ID, and it can make us feel less valued.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, what do you think about the autocratic leadership?
I think autocratic leadership is a double-edged sword. It delivers a sword, but asks too much. It creates fear and kills creativity. I believe it should only be used when situation really required quick decisions.
Thank you for your sharing. Now let's see how autocratic leadership in action.
Okay guys, thank you for the proposal, but I will be the right. Your plan doesn't fit my vision. From now on, we will do it my way.
But we work hard with real data and analysis.
Enough. I've already decided. Kira, you prepare the numbers. Atika, you adjust the publication. Ivan, handle logistic. Bila, finalize the slides. Deadline is this weekend.
This weekend? That's very soon.
Then, you will work overtime. No excuses.
This doesn't feel right. Leadership should enforce discussion, not only orders.
Kira, this is not debate. I carry the responsibility, so I make the call. Follow my instruction or reconsider your place in this team.
Let's just do what it says.
Understood.
Fine, but remember, leading without listening will always come with a cost.
So, what we just saw is a portrait of autocratic leadership in action. The leader dominates in the decision-making process. The team members are just forced to follow.
The result: clarity, speed, and discipline. Yet behind the clarity, there is a silent voice go unheard. Ideas are dismissed, and the moral is suffer.
Yet behind the clarity there is silent voice go in the head. Ideas are dismissed and more suffers. The team delivers the result, but at the cost of creativity, trust, and growth.
Autocratic leadership is not always wrong. In some contexts, it saves organizations from chaos. But in everyday work, if used too much, it limits creativity, reduces motivation, and makes people afraid to contribute. As future leaders, we must learn to balance authority with empathy. Sometimes, being decisive is necessary. But true leadership is not only about making decisions. It is also about listening, inspiring, and creating space for others to grow. The best leaders know when to comment and when to collaborate.
That's why, as we reflect on autocratic leadership, we should not see it as a style to avoid completely, but as a tool to use wisely. In times of crisis or urgent decision making, authority can provide clarity and stability. However, in daily operation, leaders who combine firmness with openness will build stronger teams. Employees feel trusted, valued, and encouraged to innovate. In the end, leadership is not just about control, but about building trust, empowering people, and guiding the organization toward sustainable success. Autocratic leadership teaches us that power can move things fast, but without listening, power will also leave behind silence. As future leaders, let us not only implore for results, but also for respect, trust, and growth. Because in the end, the true leadership is not measured by how loud the leader speaks, but how deeply the team feels heard.